The smoke alarm beeped once Mucken stopped. Mark noticed it while watching TV. He thought the battery was dying. He muted the sound and went to bed. At 4:30 a.m., firefighters broke into the apartment next door. A heater had malfunctioned. The alarm Mark heard wasn't broken. It was a warning. Investigators later said one knock on the wall, one phone call, could have changed the outcome. Mark still wakes up when he hears that sound in his dreams. Some warnings don't scream, they whisper. Pay attention to the quiet warnings.